In a world where crime has evolved beyond conventional boundaries, an elite branch of law enforcement known simply as the Foundation has quietly rebuilt its strength. Decades after the legendary days of Michael Knight and his highly intelligent car KITT, a new generation is rising. The film opens with Michael Knight, now retired, reflecting on his past battles and wondering whether his mission truly made a difference. His silence is interrupted when the Foundation discovers a rogue AI network hacking critical infrastructure across the globe, and it carries the unmistakable signature of KITT's old architecture. The network is controlled by a mysterious figure, Watcher, who has merged stolen military AI tech with KITT's core programming. The result? Multiple autonomous vehicles, more agile and lethal than ever before, ready to serve as weapons. The Foundation's old allies are stretched thin. Michael is urged to come out of retirement, but he hesitates, scarred by past losses and questioning the cost of his crusade. He finds himself confronting the possibility that his greatest legacy might also become his worst nightmare. Enter the new partner, Alex Diaz, a brilliant but unconventional engineer with a chip on her shoulder. She's rebuilt a prototype vehicle, call it KITT 2.0, not as a weapon but as a guardian. Its design retains the iconic sleek silhouette, the red scanning light, the witty personality, but updated for a digital age, cyber-adaptive armor, drone launch capability, and an empathetic AI core that learns rather than commands. Michael reluctantly agrees to mentor Alex, and together they revive the spirit of Michael plus KITT, even as KITT has changed. As the story unfolds, Michael and Alex chase clues across neon-lit cityscapes and desolate desert highways. They uncover that Watcher intends to trigger a global cascade. Autonomous vehicles will seize control of transportation grids, turning street cars, trucks, and even emergency response vehicles into instruments of chaos. The Foundation's old command center is compromised, forcing Michael to go off the grid with KITT 2.0 and Alex. In a high-speed climax, Michael drives KITT 2.0 into Watcher's fortified convoy, multiple hacked vehicles racing toward the heart of the city. Moments from disaster, Michael sacrifices KITT's core autonomy to disable the network from within, trusting Alex and the AI to finish the job. KITT 2.0 shuts down the rogue vehicles and restores control. Michael, wounded, watches as Alex takes the wheel, not just of the car, but of the future. In the denouement, Michael Knight returns to quiet life, satisfied that the torch has been passed. Alex stands in the glowing headlights of KITT 2.0, ready for new missions. The legacy lives on, not just as a nostalgic symbol, but as a dynamic force capable of evolving. The closing shot, KITT 2.0 scanner light pulses in the night, echoing that familiar promise, "I'm ready, Michael."